Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a headband wig tutorial, I guess. So this is my first time rocking one of these headband wigs. The company named Nadula, they sent me their headband wig and I have been dying to try these wigs, you guys. I have really been wanting to try one of these wigs, so I was super excited when the company reached out to me to do this review. So I was super excited. I've been hearing everybody and their grandmama talking about this headband wig, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. They sent their Nadula highlight brown body wave headband wig, and I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check them out. Let's go ahead and get this popping. 24 inches, so it's a nice good length. It is highlighted. The hair is so silky, you can just glide your fingers right through it. It's gorgeous, guys, and this is 100% virgin human hair. This is Brazilian hair. Let's go ahead and do my hair. Last night I washed my hair and I knew I was gonna be doing this wig video today. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I slicked my hair back into a low ponytail so that way my hair is nice and flat and it's not bumpy. I want to just make sure my hair is laid really good, so I'm going to use some of this Murray's Edge wax on my hair. Usually I just slick my hair back without any baby hair, and I'm just going to swoop it back like I always do. All right, you guys, so I think that's pretty good. Now they also sent me some wig caps. Guys, so now that I have my wig cap on, I am going to show you really quick all of the headbands that they sent me, like a ton of decorative headbands. So this is the first one, the second one, and I am going to try on each and every one of these headbands really quickly with the wig on so you guys can see what they look like. So these are all the headbands. They sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They sent me 5 headbands, and they also sent this really cool rhinestone headband that I will be trying that one on too because it is super cute. So let's have a look at the actual wig. This is the headband right here, and these are the clips. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. You get 4. And you also have like an adjustable strap right here so you can adjust the wig, so that's really cool. It is made super well, super nice. And then you have your Velcro strap on the side so you can connect that. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. The combs attached to my head, so I have the one in the front and then I have the 2 on the side. All right, and then I attach the one in the back, and that is up in there. So let me just attach these straps on the back. All right, so it is attached. So easy, and the hair feels so soft. Oh, I am going to take a headband. You know what? I'll try this one on first. All right, guys, so look at that. This headband is so freaking cute, y'all. Look at that. So this is one headband. It almost looks like one of those goddess headbands. It is so cute. So that is this one. love this headband wig. I think it is so versatile, and you can wear it in a low ponytail, which is always great because I love my low ponytails. I think it's like a fast way, especially if you just want to get out the house, you going somewhere and you don't have all day to do your hair. You can always throw on this hair and you can protect your hair underneath. You can wear it in a half up, half down style. I mean, it's super versatile the way you can do your hair. It is so cute, and I'm really feeling that. I think this has to be my favorite hairstyle, just because you guys know I like a half up, half down style. I think it's just something you can rock every and anywhere. The quality of the hair is so nice. Like, this is just some good quality hair. You can put on some hoop earring. You know what? I think I'm gonna put on some hoop earrings. I think this hairstyle is so fun, especially for summertime that's right here, right now. This wig is bomb, especially for summertime, because you can do so many styles with it, and it's so easy to apply to your hair. All you have to do is slick your hair back and then put it on. So I really like it. This is going to be my go-to summer hair look, period, especially since I don't have all day to be doing my hair because I got other things to do. I love it. It's so cute. All right, you guys, so if you like this wig, if you found it cute, or if you're looking for some protective styles to wear over the summer, I highly recommend Nadula hair. Okay, I think they are great. Go ahead, check them out. The link for everything will be down in the description box. Let me know your favorite headband. Leave it in the comment section, which headband you like the best. Do you like this look? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.